Myself first.
Good morning. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, it's Clay Lewis, aka Clay's Bin Cleaning Business, or you could call me the Bloody Legend Boy. Yes, I'm very cheeky. But anyways, how are you, Mum?
I'm very good, but I'm doing the one asking the question.
I'm just asking you how are you.
Well, that's very
all,
lovely.
That's all good.
Thank you. So, Clay, what are you doing up so early? Because it's 4:30 in the morning.
Well, basically, normally I do want to sleep, but sometimes I don't. But I don't stay up few days in a row. It normally just happens once a day. If I keep doing this every day, you could probably die from tiredness. It's true.
Yep, you can die from tiredness.
Because you told me this when I had really bad
exhaustion.
From Dubai when I came back.
So I believe there's a really important race on tonight. Now, first of all, where is it being held? Don't say anything else, just where is it being held?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi? And you were there, 2 years ago?
Yeah, 2 years ago.
Oh my gosh.
Last year there wasn't any crowd.
Be still my beating heart. I wish you were there this year, mate.
Yes,
so
okay,
is it the Formula One?
Yes, the Formula One.
Right. And I believe there's a challenge on with two drivers. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Okay. Is this live or is this recording?
It's recorded.
Okay, so you know this driver, Lewis Hamilton, who is the GOAT of Formula One. You know the GOAT.
What's GOAT mean?
Oh, you're the legend of the sport, Hall of Fame.
So does GOAT mean top dog, but
I don't know.
I'm confused.
He's a 7-time world champion.
So GOAT's a Formula One kind of lingo.
It's the same thing when you say to Jamie Whincup, when he's a 7-time supercar champion.
Is Jamie Whincup a GOAT too?
No, not as GOAT. I'm talking about
Is GOAT Formula One?
It's a good thing.
Okay. All right, so back to Lewis Hamilton. He's the GOAT.
He's versing this young Dutch driver named Max Verstappen, who's been pushing so hard this year because those two are equaling points in the final race, which is going to be intense. And this is going to be the first ever year, instead of the Mercedes drivers, if Red Bull Verstappen wins the championship instead of Mercedes in the turbo hybrid era. Because last time a different team won a championship was actually Red Bull, so they could do it again.
Right, well that sounds pretty cool. So I take it you're going for Lewis Hamilton. So
I'm going for Verstappen. No, because I've been sick and tired of Mercedes winning every year.
Yeah, I know you're going for
I just want that to change.
So, we all know you're a Red Bull motorsports fan.
Look,
through and through.
Even though Verstappen's from the Netherlands, I'm not. But I still love Red Bull because, Ricciardo was in Red Bull. And then, actually, I like Red Bull and McLaren. Those are good two teams I like.
So, just to prove my knowledge, Daniel Ricciardo is a McLaren driver?
Yes.
Oh my God,
Remember,
I'm so smart.
Also, he won the Italian Grand Prix this year.
Really?
Yeah, so I did a video of myself. I was doing a shoey.
Yeah.
It was actually good because whenever Ricciardo wins, I'll just do a shoey.
Yay.
And a podium.
So now, just to mix it up a little bit, you are a pretty good motorsports driver. Where do you do your driving, Clay?
My sim racing.
And what's it called?
It's called iRacing.
And what's your team called?
Relative Racing Team.
Relative Racing Team. And how many people are on that team?
10 or 15. I might have lost count.
Okay, and you're nearly at pro level in some of the.
Well, I'm still far away because if I can't race in A class leagues because there's a lot of A class drivers that are so fast they're normally
but haven't you come up against Max Verstappen and Shane Van Gisbergen?
Yes, I have. I've beaten Shane Van Gisbergen
on iRacing, and you've beaten both of them, haven't you?
Yeah, I beat SVG once. It was in a master race I did.
Yeah.
I think he had a bad race. I was say to him.
No. Let's just go with you were the GOAT.
No, I'm not the GOAT yet because I next year's gonna be my 5th full year in iRacing, which is unbelievable.
Such dedication and commitment, my darling.
Back then, I didn't buy a lot more tracks, and then after I finished high school, I bought like I don't know how many tracks.
Oh, do you think that's because you were like
no,
running a successful business,
Yes.
earning really good money, paying taxes,
3 weeks ago, I got paid $800.
living the life of your dreams?
Yes, living.
Are
the
you
life
living
of
the
my-
life of your dreams?
Yes, even
Yes?
alcohol of apple cider.
Right. Okay. So back to this race in Abu Dhabi. Okay. Can you tell me a little bit about the feeling you had when you first walked onto the Abu Dhabi track 2 years ago for your schoolies?
Well, I didn't go on the track. I was like,
Oh, not the track. Sorry,
Because-
the event. When you went into the event.
it was actually exciting because the racetrack, it was like on the bay, like next to the water, not the beach, but the bay area. Like,
Yeah.
it's like the marina area.
Yeah.
It's kind of like the same like as Wynnum, but it's like more like there's like hundreds of thousands of yachts there.
Yeah.
There was like a lot of disco
So loads
lights.
of rich people.
Because it was like at night time and there was like loads of disco lights. Even I found a cat there. I was like saying,
Ooh.
it was like so friendly. I pet it. I was like saying, hello, cat from, hello.
Okay, forget the cat. But
Oh.
back to when you first entered you've gone through the turnstiles, you've shown your ticket. How were you feeling?
Oh, I was so pumped. I thought
Because-
the cars were going to be loud, but they weren't that
Because
as loud as
how
the
did you
cars.
save up? Tell me, how did you save up enough money to pay? Stop. Let me finish my question.
Okay, sorry.
How did you save up enough money to go to Dubai and Abu Dhabi for your schoolies week? Because you paid for the whole thing.
It's got to be my business for sure. Like my
Yeah.
big
But what were you doing? What's your business?
Like I do bin cleaning.
Okay, that's pretty hard work, isn't it? Even in summer.
Yeah.
And what else do you do as well as bin cleaning? Because I believe you've introduced
Because-
some other services.
Yes. Other services.
What services, mate?
Like car cleaning
Yeah.
and jet blasting. That was like before. No, that was like. No, we started the car cleaning and jet blasting this year
Yeah.
because I didn't do that in 2019 or
Yeah.
2018.
And you're getting lots of business, aren't you?
Yeah, like 20.
And everyone that sends in a review
Mm,
says amazing things, and they're really happy with your work, aren't they?
yeah, I was trying to find myself on TV on the Abu Dhabi Grand
Okay,
Prix in 2019,
let's
but
not
it didn't
talk-
happen.
No, I mean there would have been loads of people at.
Yeah, that was
the
like.
Grand Prix.
Even though it was like a grandstand full of people wearing orange shirts.
Yeah.
Because there's like a lot of religion fan. Wait, is it? Oh, culture? Is it culture?
Yeah. So
yeah,
it's,
part of that culture.
it's
yeah,
a
that's right.
Muslim country.
Yeah. Like,
Yeah.
Like, I actually.
But still, it's very multicultural. Lots
I
of.
speak to them. They were very nice.
Of course they are.
Like they said, "Where you from?" I said, "Oh, I'm from Australia." And they say, "Oh, I like Australia."
Yeah.
And they said, "Oh, I don't like the spiders." I'm like, "Yeah, I know they're really scary."
And what do we have above our stairs right at this moment?
It's like a big spider. This is why we're in the land down
It's
under.
a St Andrew's Cross.
Andrew's Cross.
St Andrew's Cross. They
Andrew's
eat
Cross.
the mozzies.
So what did you name it?
Oh, we haven't given it a name, have we?
No, it's been like there for a month.
What shall we name it?
Jeff.
Jeff.
Yeah, Jeff.
I think Jeff's your go-to name for everything. Jeff's fine. It's good. I like
Okay,
it.
we'll keep it Jeff. Or
Jeff's
Jeffrey.
good. Jeff or Jeffrey?
Just Jeff.
Does it have a middle name?
No, just keep it Jeff.
So Jeff Lewis.
Yeah, Jeff Lewis.
I think it should have a middle name.
Jeff. What's Jeff Lewis? Something Lewis.
What? Jeff Macaroni Lewis.
No, that's not gonna work.
That's not going to work.
Jeff. No, I can't use William because that's Dad's. Jeff.
I know, Jeff Cecil Lewis.
I don't know.
I like that. I think we'll go with Jeff Cecil Lewis.
Jeff Lewis.
No, Jeff
Nah.
Cecil Lewis is good. So, tell me,
Jeff
Clay,
McGregor Lewis.
you've been up since almost 4.
Well, is it 5? Yeah, it's 5
Yeah.
now.
So, tell me, what are you going to do now? Are you going to go back to bed?
Normally I don't, But
Are you going to hang out with your mum? Because, you know, you love hanging out with your mum.
because
Your mum's really cool.
Because I haven't been hanging out with you that much because I've been doing a lot of work and like my mates.
Yeah.
Like, I think 2021's been a good year instead of like.
It sure has. You've had a great year,
because
darling.
last year's been a, you know.
So what's your plans for the day?
Well, I gotta do the bins, remember?
What about washing the dirty clothes on the floor of your bedroom?
I'll do that a bit later in the day as well.
What? I can't hear you,
A
Murray.
bit later in the day, I still want to do it now.
Yeah, because I think, you know...
Because there's still Aussies, like these moments.
Okay, so we'll talk about that off camera.
Anyways,
then so you'll do that. You're not going to go anywhere or do anything. You're not going to go swimming or.
No, I'm not going to go swimming today. Actually, the temperature is a bit cooler than it did yesterday. So.
And what time are you going to go do your contract this afternoon with the bins?
I'll go there like at 5 and then I'll start at 6.
And then you'll go to Granny's house to watch the Formula One.
Yes, which is going to be intense, insane race. Last race is going to be intense. I'll be like nervous, maybe biting my fingernails. Well, not like that. Like, you know how everyone says when they bite their fingernails, like, and they're nervous.
Just a saying, hey.
Yeah, that's what I say.
Yeah. And to wrap up this interview, Mr. Clay Lewis.
What about my bin clean next week? But next week's my
Oh,
last.
yeah, you've got one more week of bin cleaning and then you've got 2 weeks of holidays.
Don't worry, I'm not retiring. It's just the
You're
last
not
bin
retiring,
cleaning
no.
of the year. That's what I'm saying.
That's right. And you're going to have a lovely time relaxing on holidays. Maybe
Like
go
Christmas,
to South Bank,
New
go
Year's.
to the pool. Yeah,
Hanging
are
with
you going
friends.
to South Bank for New Year's?
Yeah, my girlfriend. And I think, oh no, wait, no, Bally isn't because he's got family stuff. Such a shame. But it's all good. Because, wait.
Well, you could ask, you know, you have other friends. Let's not say your friend's names on
Oh,
the video,
yeah,
okay?
sorry.
How
many minutes we've been on this recording? It feels
12
like...
minutes.
Oh my gosh.
I know. So, yeah, you should definitely think about what you're going to do for New Year's Eve.
Because in 2 months, I'm 20. I'm like, I feel like I'm getting old.
Oh, you poor thing.
Like, my face is starting to wrinkle a bit.
Oh, you poor thing.
Yeah.
Wait till your knees creak when you walk up and down stairs.
Yeah, but my knees have been numbly this week when I was doing bin cleaning. I mean, they're starting to not get that skinny anymore. No, like, not like skinny.
Rightio. I wish I was not skinny like you, mate. Okay, so this is your last week of bin cleaning for the year coming up.
Yes.
And then 2 weeks off, and then back in the saddle
2022.
again. 2022. Do you think you might be introducing any new services next year? Have you talked about that at all?
I don't know, to be honest.
Is there anything you think you'd like to add to your...
I'll do a bit more than this year.
Yeah.
Because next year might be my first... I think it might be my first ever full year of bin cleaning.
No, it's not.
No,
the first year you started on the 1st of January and worked the whole year.
No, like...
When I was the one
like,
driving you around,
I'm saying doing a lot.
cleaning beside you.
But now I got a support worker.
That's right.
Because I always call you the mama jar.
Yes. But it's much better to
And
not do it with your mum, hey? It's a
Yeah.
pretty uncool thing too.
At least Matt is the best. Because
I won't take that
because
personally.
we just talk about memes a lot. We talk about apple ciders when we clean. We just do
So
funny
he's a
jokes.
good support worker.
Yes. He's like
and
the play
it's better
legend.
than me, your mum,
Yeah,
doing it,
sorry.
hey? That's okay.
Like
Clay, no 19-year-old, nearly 20-year-old,
he laughs
wants
all the time.
to be hanging out with their mother all the time. I get it. It's okay. You don't have to apologise.
Yeah.
All right. Well, do you want to wish everyone a happy Christmas?
Happy Christmas and a happy New Year. I mean, we're nowhere near 2020. Oh wait, we're not that far.
No.
Like, for some of you, that the year gets quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. What do you call Boxing Day? Happy Boxing Day.
Well, most people go shopping, but that's when
Happy Shopping Day.
Well, for the other people, I don't do shopping
Okay.
on Boxing Day. So, anyway, do you want to wrap it up with a typical Clay wrap up?
I don't know. I just want an apple cider, but not now, because I already had like one apple cider yesterday. So, anyways, goodbye, everyone.
What else do you say? Peace out, yo.
You all bloody legends.
See you, mate.
Bye.